What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first look at Sony's RX100M2. We'll take a look at what's in the box, take a tour around the device, and I also have the external microphone that goes into the hot shoe for this particular camera from Sony. So we'll take a look at it unboxing and that also. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, here we go, everybody. Again, this is the Sony DSC RX100M2. And here we'll take a little look around the box at the top, if I could get it in focus here. We get all of the great specs and things that are wonderful about this product, and it is NFC available, or it has NFC, I should say. It's Wi-Fi certified, which means you have NFC and Wi-Fi, which is really handy with Android devices, tablets, or phones. You have full HD video, 1080, 3-inch LCD, and a bunch of other specs that you can take a look at yourself. Here we have some accessories, some optional accessories that you get through Sony. And it says you have a great battery, 300 shots per battery charge. Back here, a bunch more other stuff, what you have in the box, which we will take a look at. And it is, according to this, only good for a Mac product, which works out well for me. Now, this is the black version. Not sure if there is another version. I've never seen it, but it makes the point to say that it's black on the side of the box. So I myself have not seen anything but the black version. Here's the normal cast of characters when you buy a Sony product. 15% off if you register your product. Here's something just for Canada, which I am not in. And again, here's some more accessories for your camera, specifically, well, not specifically because it's pretty much everything, but it's specifically from Sony. I'm not sure if there's any third-party accessories yet, but that microphone you can see here, I'll do the unboxing with that within the same video. I bought this camera to start my vlogging, whether that's going to be on this channel or a separate vlogging channel, I haven't decided yet, but this is going to be the camera that I use along with that external microphone so that my audio and video is top notch, because what I say is very important. Just kidding. So anyways, here we have the charger. Standard USB charger. It's a US version, obviously, because I'm in the States. Then we have here your wrist strap, which is obviously comes with pretty much every camera that you get. Micro USB charging, which is really nice, so that way you can charge, like myself who has the S4. If my battery is getting low, I can charge it in my truck with that charger cable, the micro USB. Here you have two accessories that you put on if you buy the neck strap, which does not come with the device, but those you loop through the left or right loops. Drop the battery and add the neck strap. Here we have the battery, which again they say you should be able to get 350 shots on one charge. Again, I'll mostly be doing video work with this, and that's my main purpose in buying it. But again, it is nice to have a camera that's close to DSLR quality in this small form factor. And taking a look around, you can see you have the 1-inch sensor, which pulls in a lot of light and makes it very nice for low light situations. Didn't get a chance to use the unboxing knife, so I try to use it whenever possible, so I'll use it to cut this little tag up here. That's attached to the wrist strap loop, which there's one on each side, so I guess depending on whether you're left or right-handed, and those are the spots where the neck strap adjuster things that come with it go. Here you can see this is a multi-port, but it's for connecting to the computer or charging via USB. And down here you have your HDMI port. On the side, nothing, but just shows that you have Wi-Fi. and then you have and along the back you have your dial, which has a multitude of functions. It's also a 4-way button, the function menu, the playback button, your dedicated home button, your selector knob up here, your power on and off, and your zoom in and out. Your smart hot shoe is there, where I will be adding the external mic for my vlogs. You have a pop-up flash that can be moved to different angles and directions to bounce light off of the ceiling or walls. You have a selector ring here that you can assign it all kinds of different functions, and then you have the 3-inch screen in the back that flips out and around to angle upwards, so you can take shots over people or over crowds, and then flip it down for actually setting the camera on the ground and taking low angle shots. So this camera is going to be my vlogging camera. You'll see vlogs coming very soon. So make sure you subscribe for that so you don't miss any of the vlogs that are upcoming. And let's get into the unboxing of the external microphone, and so you can take a look at that. All right, here we are with the external mic by Sony. It is an ECM-XYST1M, and this is what I will be adding to my RX100M2 to get me a high quality audio with my vlogs. It's a multi-directional mic. You can do 0 degrees to 120 degrees depending on if you're trying to record a crowd or an individual. On the side you can see the different it's a multi-interface shoe is what Sony calls it, and what it's good for and what products it's used for. And on the other side here you see that it comes with a few items in the box. But let's rip this bad boy open and take a look at what we have. Here we have the actual microphone itself, my dirty desk. We have paperwork, we have a nice carrying case, and wind protector, windscreen, something else there, and something else there. Nothing else in the box. So let's go through each item, take a look. This is just a 3.5mm extender cable, so if you need to add it to something without the intelligent hot shoe. Again, a windscreen for outside recording. It slips right over and under and locks in fairly well, from what I can tell. Then you have the carrying case here, which is a nice soft Sony branded carrying case. And the other piece that I just threw out of the way is it holds your hot shoe if your hot shoe has like a little door on it, but with the RX100M2 it does not. It has a removable piece. So there you can see the connector for adding it into the multi-interface shoe. And on this side you have the normal to low cut selector, and then here you see the 120 or 0 degrees depending on what you are trying to accomplish with your recording. And on the other side it has the mic out to add another external mic, so if you have like a lapel mic or things like that. Slides right into place and then locks down, and actually is spring loaded to bobble around a little bit so you don't get any feedback into the camera. So a very good look. Not as large as I thought it was going to be, and doesn't look as bad as I thought it may look on the camera, but it is very good. The quality in comparison to the camera is really good from just what I've seen online and done a little bit of testing myself before getting into the full vlogging. Into full vlogging. I guess I don't have any adjective for that. So anyways, here we go. This is it. This is what my vlogging camera will end up looking like, and what you will be seeing the quality from for the upcoming Geekynerddad vlogs. Don't forget to hit a like down below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos like this and for the vlogs that will be coming, whether it'll be on this channel or another channel. I will let you know, and if you're subscribed, you'll be the first to know. Peace.